Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there is no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace an air chamber in an LG washer. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. For this job, we're going to need a Phillips screwdriver, a pair of pliers, and some liquid soap. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new air chamber. The air chamber helps to control the water level inside the tub. A cracked air chamber will cause an overflow of the washer. To get to the air chamber, we need to remove the rear access panel. Get to the back of the washer. Using the Phillips screwdriver, remove the 4 screws. Slightly flex the rear panel and release the top tabs. Then take the bottom of the panel out. Pull the air hose of the air chamber. Using the Phillips screwdriver, take 2 screws out and drop down the air chamber. I'm going to put a towel on the floor just in case if there's some water left in the pipe. Technically, it shouldn't be, but better be ready than sorry. Let's push down on the hose and using the pliers, squeeze and move the hose clamp up the hose. Oh, actually, we managed to take out the air chamber. This is the old air chamber next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. And now I'm going to slide the clamp over the hose. Right, now squeeze the clamp with the pliers. And place it on the air chamber. And next we're going to put a little bit of the soap on the end of the chamber so the hose would be much easier to put on. Alright, pay attention to this little tab here. That goes into the cutout in hose on the side. Alright, now I'm going to slide that air chamber into the hose. And next, using the pliers, we're going to slide the clamp on the hose. Right now we're going to attach the chamber to the tub with a couple of Phillips screws. Now we're going to use a Phillips screwdriver. And now we can put the air hose back on the air chamber. And let's take the towel out. Install the rear access panel and secure it with the 4 Phillips screws. Plug the washer in and make sure it runs good. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other repair videos available on our site, on Facebook, and on YouTube.